Hey there, I'm James Bill from jamesbillofficial.com, and thank you for visiting my channel today. And if this is your first time, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, guys, and that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I come out with some great content to help you win inside of your business, guys. High ticket sales. Okay, high ticket sales and what you must have in place inside of your business to make this work. Number one, you're going to need what's called a value ladder. And simply put, what a value ladder is, for example, let's take my phone service provider, T-Mobile. Guys, I've been with T-Mobile for 10 years, and I love this service. But 10 years ago, when I first stepped into that store, all I wanted was a phone because they were advertising free phones. So when I got in that store, I was so excited to grab that brand new free phone. Then they dropped the bomb on me. They hit me with what's called a value ladder. And I didn't know it then and didn't recognize it. But along with that free phone, they offered me a free plan, with unlimited Wi-Fi service and data, which I did need. And I ended up purchasing that. They offered me this nice cover and phone protector. I'm like, man, this is really nice too. But I had to pay for it. It was an upgrade, guys. It was a simple upgrade. And that's basically what a value ladder is. It's taking you up step by step, offering you something that you really do need. Now, this third one I didn't really need, but I had to do it. It was for my wife. And I went ahead and purchased her a nice tablet, guys. So, yeah, they got me again. The value ladder was in full force with me, guys. It was really working. It worked on me. And, the list goes on and on. And then, now they're offering phone watches, these nice phone watches, Bose speakers, whatever you want. They have it there. But so many times people walk in just wanting a phone. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go over to my laptop and show you some proof and screenshot of how this is going to help you inside of your business to help you profit, guys. Okay, guys, here's a screenshot of my back office, and I want to show you a little proof and how this is going to relate to how that value ladder I explained to you. The example, how that relates to your business. Okay, here are some payouts that I have. This particular product here, the $18 that you see, this is for like a $30 payout in my company. But my commission is $18 off of that, okay? And that's like our front end product. Similar to what I was telling you about the free phone. You get it for free, okay? Now, as we step up here inside of the same Marketers Club, they offer you more different products and more valuable information. And this particular product was, I think, like $170 something or so. And I was able to, and I made a $89.40 commission that was paid to me here, guys. And this is, let me see, traffic Rolodex. This is obviously a lot more higher. Hold on, I'm going to tell you about that one. Here's another $18 one from the $30 product. And this is a builder masterclass where it's a lot more value that's provided here in this digital education program. And someone purchased, I think, this is over $2,000. And I made actually a $1,000 commission, or they paid me $900. And what they do, they hold $100 for you for your interest that you get later. But anyhow, you can see how I stepped up from the $18 to $89 to $1,000 payout. We're showing $900 here, okay? And it doesn't stop there. Now and you can see here from a marketer mastermind sale, I made $2,880. So you see, we consistently stepped up. And this is another marketer mastermind. I made $320 off of this. But it all started down here. These little $18. And you have to have this in place, guys, inside of your business. This is called a value ladder, and that's how you make high ticket sales. And again, my name is James Bill, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed this content. Please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to be coming to you with more great videos showing you how you can start making this kind of money inside of your business, guys.